In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Discord. If you want to browse servers, catch up on chats, or play without drawing attention. Discord has a built-in status that makes you look offline while still letting you use everything normally. Here's how to switch to that invisible status quickly and confidently. First, open Discord. This can be the desktop app or the web version in your browser. The steps are the same. Once Discord is open, look down in the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile area with your username and a small circular avatar. Click that avatar. This opens a compact menu focused on your user status and profile options. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over your current status label. This usually says online if you're visible. Hovering over it reveals a list of status options. From that list, select Invisible. It's marked with a gray dot, so it's easy to spot. As soon as you click Invisible, your status updates right away. That's it. You're now appearing offline to everyone else. Other users will see you as offline, and your own status indicator turns gray to confirm the change. You can still send messages, join voice channels, and navigate servers just as you normally would. The key difference is simply how you appear to others. A few helpful notes while you're here. Invisible does not block your access or mute your notifications. You'll still receive messages and alerts unless you've changed notification settings elsewhere. If your goal is to stop notifications entirely, Do Not Disturb is the status that silences them. Invisible is specifically for hiding your presence while staying fully functional. This choice also sticks until you change it. If you close and reopen Discord later, you'll remain invisible. When you're ready to look available again, repeat the same quick process. Click your avatar in the bottom left, hover over your current status, and select Online. Your dot will switch back to green, and your friends and servers will see you as active. If your menu looks slightly different due to a Discord update, don't worry. The option is always connected to your profile area in the bottom left, and invisible is still represented by a gray dot. As long as you click your avatar and open the status options, you'll find it. And that's all you need to appear offline on Discord. Simple, fast, and completely reversible whenever you want to be visible again.